Hello everyone. So today we are going to use @include directives inside our blade template. Fine. So with this I'm going to right click on the menu and create a file that is menu.blade.php. This file contains HTML format. Fine. So @include is for HTML. Including the HTML just like in the PHP. I'm going to Bulma website, copying the navigation bar and then pasting inside menu.blade.php. So that's it. The first version, the first step towards our include directive is gone. I'm just going to remove the unnecessary parts step by step as and when it comes and pinches into my eyes. Anyways, now with this stuff, I'm going to show it to you that this is the entire code of our navigation bar, and let's see how it looks on the server itself. Fine. And over here, first and foremost thing, after that I need to include this thing inside my layout file. So I'm going to type template.menu. Why so? Because menu.blade.php is there inside my template folder. So template.menu. Fine. And then if I say localhost /8000/posts and press enter, you can see a beautiful, nice and cozy look Bulma navigation bar is ready for me. Fine, the similar shown in the website itself. So let's put some colors on it. There are many other colors provided by Bulma. If I scroll down, you can see these many colors are given, but if you wish, you can put different types of colors. You can put is info. You can, this is link. That's is the second one is link. So over here, if you see, is link is my choosy one that I want to go for. Yes, that's a run. And you can see over here there is some problem in it. So this is not shared in Bulma's documentation as of now. I don't know why didn't they do it, but for that I need bd example.isPaddingLess class, and then if you put your navigation bar inside it, fine, the problem will be solved. I don't know why they didn't share this stuff inside their documentation, but now the entire Bulma is good to go. Fine, so navigation bar is ready and working very fine. But if you can see that the logo over here is in black color while the logo over here is in white color. So let's replace the entire logo by copying the image location, putting it up inside imgsrc and saving it in my own fashion. The logo size is 112 by 28 pixels, and yes, there we go. Fine, it's beautiful. Now let's remove this portion of the words because I do not need it, but if you require that thing, you can keep it. But I'll be using this entire concept in my coming series, not right now. So for that, I'll be just comment it rather than deleting it. So I'm not deleting it because it's very difficult for them to edit it. So rather than deleting, I'm just commenting it, the entire HTML. The similar way, I'll be also picking it up this portion that is more, and I will be also deleting drop down menu type of stuff because I do not require it. So for that, let's comment it from bottom and then go to the top. So I do not forget any of the div tags. So everything is now ready and good to go. But what if I click on home, and what if I click on documentation? So I want to change that portion also. So for that, home is okay and ready for me. If I click on home, it should go to the Laravel welcome page, and if I click on posts, it should redirect me to my own post index method. Fine, on post controller itself. So for that, I'm going to click on href equal to, and then we have posts. Simple, that's it, nothing much. And with this thing /home, we have one more stuff to go on, that is on, it will redirect me to the welcome page. If I refresh, you can see home and posts are ready. If I click on home, Laravel welcome home page is shown. If I click on posts, the post which we have created in our earlier section are shown. So everything is ready and you can see everything is working. But in the previous sessions, inside the show method, I should have created this formatting, but I could not create it because of the time limitation. I wanted to make the entire video very short. So in this video, I'll be just formatting a little bit of it. Let's create a title inside my show.blade.php, and in this title I'll be typing your post will be shown, or your selected post will be shown over here, like just a message to be given onto our blog itself. So for title, that is post title, it's good to go over here, but I want that it should look like a title, so I will be creating a label, and this label is of medium size. So let's tell it to be a medium, and then I'll be telling that this is my title. That's good to go. After which I'll be also once again copy pasting it and type excerpt, and the similar fashion I'll be once again copy pasting it and typing body tag, that is label again. So if I refresh, it will show me all this content in a very good and fashionable manner. And no, except spelling is slightly wrong. Let me correct it and then go back. Okay, so title is 4. Let's keep this size as a 4 so as to give some of the values to it. And if I refresh, everything is working fine. So this is the title, this is excerpt, this is a body, and there we go with entire blog, and yeah, everything is good. So with this over here, I can see that there are different type of notifications shown over here, that is recent post, but there are 5 posts I should have taken, and the heading given is recent 3 posts. Let me correct that also, and also you can see everything is good and displaying it in a very good and fashionable manner, but I am not satisfied with this thing, recent 3 posts. So for that I should have typed recent 5 posts, and over here if you want to see how it is coming, please do watch my previous videos, but over here I'm going to say recent posts with title is 2. So over here it's good, and now comes the notification. It should be inside one notification, but rather than I'm having many notifications, so clicking up in this fashion. So someone suggested me that the notification should be inside one itself, so I just thought, okay, I'll do that. So all the notifications are shown over here in a good and fashionable manner, and we have recent post 5, and let's go with slightly smaller size. Yeah, it's done. So we have recent post 5, we have entire stuff ready over here, but you can see that the post will be displayed over here is not looking very good. So I think I should remove it. So rather than having it on my page, I want to remove it. And if I refresh, everything is gone and good to go. But there should be some of the break lines inside those things. Let's do that. Let's break some lines. Yes, it's done and looking very good. That's it. So with this thing, you can see we have a post, we have multiple home blog posts. You can go inside any of the post and it looks so good. Fine. And in coming session we are going to study a lot of things as in given in this page itself. And this, you can also change the color of this thing if you like, and if you want you can have many of the different varieties of it shown in the documentation itself. And yes, I think so everything is good, fine. So if you like my videos, do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be waiting for your comments. Fine. Thank you all, thank you very much. Okay, thank you, bye bye.